Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, super healthy, super powerful, super easy, boost your energy and immunity with colorful ginger vitamin shot, gets you going, tastes like paradise, so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw half an inch of fresh ginger into a blender, along with 3 oranges, 1 carrot, and 1 mango. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy energy boost. Thanks for watching.